Current situation, I'm on the highway, headed to my hobby shop. Time to upgrade, baby. TQI, here I come. Time to power up. So I upgraded my radio control today, so we're gonna start with that. And also picked up a few other things. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this telemetry expander kit. Got all the bells and whistles for that. Then I got the differential XO-1 set up. I had to order one of these because the store only had one and nobody else in the city had one, so I definitely had to order one. And thankfully I had a credit. It's gonna be here tomorrow, so I only paid like $3 for it. Love that. But anyways, yeah, this is what I'm working on next. Appreciate y'all love and support. I'm out of here. Like, I'm cooking spaghetti tonight for dinner, so peace out. What's up with it, y'all? It's your boy Bobby L, SharkLife RC. Did some upgrades today, man. I had to get the new radio control, the TQ. I had the TQ, but I got the TQI now, so we about to see what that's about. I did the telemetry expander upgrade, so we about to get some real numbers to see how fast this thing really moving. So today's pickup is the Bluetooth with the expander. Then I got this right here, about to do this differential mod. I got all the accessories for the telemetry, so let's get it.